Hey y'all, it's your girl Robin Lachey, and we are back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So I always start my days off with a smoothie. So that's what I plan on doing today. A very light day. In previous content, you've seen me prepping my smoothies, and I did not record myself prepping smoothies for the coming week, but I have different bags labeled, and this one is cilantro, parsley, kale, spinach, and I also have some with fruit in it as well. This one consists of kale, pineapple, spinach, beets, and I think I want to go with this one this morning because I want like a sweeter taste. I want a sweeter taste in the morning. A lot of times with pineapple, it sticks together, and I don't want that to be too floppy in my blender. Dang it. Let's relieve some stress. Perfect stress reliever, okay? Going to add some sea moss in there. It's flu season. I'm going to be incorporating some cloves. It's really good for this time of the year. Some turmeric for inflammation. If you got any type of inflammation in your body, you want to add some turmeric. And we need a little cayenne pepper in there, okay? So I like to add about 3 cloves to my smoothie. It has a great smell to it. It's between, I would say, cinnamon and nutmeg type smell. And I want to add a couple of hemp seeds as well. All done making my smoothie, and it turned out good. It is kind of sweet and spicy like me. Sometimes you just gotta stop and embrace everything. I feel like sitting in the window and letting the sun hit your skin is like a hug from God. Like, I just feel so amazing right now. I am all done with my smoothie, and I'm basking in that sunlight. What a good feeling. All right, y'all, I want to go ahead and pull up my charts for next week and take a look at that. All right, Nas 100. Let's see what Nas is doing for the week, or what I think is doing for the week. I like this nice, strong weekly candle right here. Momentum is pushing down on the weekly. And just so y'all know, I do not ever remove my zones. I keep everything as is. It helps me see what the market is doing. All right, so we got rid of all indicators, and now we're gonna go down to the daily. On Friday, price shot down. Nice strong momentum, and it hit my area of interest, which is the support area, but I think that price will surpass this support area right here. I think price is gonna sell some more. So looking until next week, I probably will be looking out for some sales, and I'm going to set my alerts. But before I do that, let's go down to the 4 hour. Yeah, so Nas is looking pretty good. Nas is looking pretty good. It is at a support level right here. So it could possibly retrace to this level here or even here. Either this level or that level, and then come back down. Let's take a better look at the 1 hour. It is rejecting off this area on the 1 hour. So we can look for price to retrace and go to this resistance area or go back into all this consolidation. Price may go into that support area. So we have different areas of interest. So what I'm going to do now is go down to the 30-minute. So if price goes back into this consolidation area, I will not be trading. I will wait until price breaks or hit one of my key levels before I even place a trade. So I think for Monday, depending on what news is going to do, tomorrow, January 13th, is Monday, and we don't have any news that stand out to me. So I probably won't be taking a trade. Let's see if we can look at Tuesday. Tuesday we got 8:30 news, and I probably will trade on Tuesday, depending on what news does, but I'm pretty sure I'll be catching the setup after news. Wednesday, we got CPI. So 8:30 probably gonna bring in some momentum. 10:30 a.m. I don't really too much worry about the orange folders. That lets me know that price could bring in a little bit of momentum. Price could bring in a little bit of momentum there. Now let's go over to Thursday. Unemployment claims, retail, and Friday. Friday we don't have any news. Well, we got 8:30 news, yellow folder, but I'm not too much worried about that. I'll just see how price does at market open. But it looks like my trading days will be Tuesday, Thursday, and possibly Friday. On Wednesday, I may look at I don't know, Wednesday looking pretty good though. Wednesday, let's go back to Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday looking good. So I may even trade Wednesday. My trading days for next week could be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, possibly Friday. Not sure yet. Now let's go over to gold. Gold has been doing this thing after the New Year's. So now we have gold charts pulled up, and looks like price is bullish on gold. I want to say Q4, around December, price was very choppy. So if you was trading gold in December, all I want to know is, did you make some money? Because it takes a professional trader to make money during these choppy times. I see a couple of good setups, so you could have stayed in a range and just traded within that range and made some money. But I like safe entries. The more seasoned I get as a trader, the more I want to take more safer entries. Okay, let's look at gold. Looks like we're on the 1 hour chart, by the way. Looks like gold surpassed my resistance level. It broke through my resistance level, and it kept shooting up on Friday. Price shot up and looked like it came back, retested this resistant, now support area, and it's going to continue to go up. But I think that price, it could possibly come back to this area again, reject it, and go back up. So on gold, I'll probably be looking for some buys if I do decide to take setups on gold. And my trading days for gold would be Tuesday, Thursday. I don't know. Wednesday could be a possibly a good day. I don't know. I'm iffy about Wednesdays because Wednesdays to me is like a hit or miss. Wednesdays are a hit or miss for me. So I may not be trading on Wednesday. It just depends on how good the market is looking. So that's a possible right there. And then on Thursday, I'll be taking a trade, maybe. These are just potential days I'll be trading on. So let's look at gold on the daily. I really can see gold coming back up to this resistant area right here. That is definitely a key level. So I would be looking for gold to come up to around 27.18, around the area, and it could possibly surpass the area. But looking on the daily, that would be my goal. I would like to see gold retrace and before it shoots up, and we'll just see what happens next week. But I'm bullish on gold for the most part. I'm bullish on gold, and I am bearish on NAS 100. As always, we'll see what the market wants to give us and go from there. My pairs for this year to trade is NAS 100 and gold. Those are the two main pairs that I'm gonna stick with. I used to trade US 30, but it's a bit different for me. I don't know. It just depends. Let's look at US 30 right now. I lose a lot on US 30, I'm not gonna lie. So I don't really trade that no more. I let that indice go. But it actually looks good for next week. I'm gonna set an alert right here. Add alert there. Price get back to that area and retest. I am going to look for a sell on US 30. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Yeah, so it could possibly fill in this gap right here. Price could come up, fill in that gap, and we'll be looking for sales probably around Tuesday or Thursday on US 30. For those of you that trade US 30, market break this area and come back up into this consolidation, take out all of that liquidity before it comes back down. But we'll see what US 30 wants to do.